In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Otter AI Chrome extension. By the end, you'll have the extension installed and ready to help you capture live notes and transcripts right from your browser. Make sure you're using Google Chrome on your computer, since this process relies on Chrome's built-in extension system. Start by opening Chrome so we can access its menu. Look toward the top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots. That's your Chrome menu button. Click it to open a drop-down with settings and tools. We're heading to the Chrome Web Store from here, which is where you safely find and install extensions. In that menu, hover your mouse over extensions. A small panel appears. Choose Chrome Web Store. This takes you to Google's official marketplace for add-ons. If your menu looks slightly different, don't worry, Chrome updates can move items around. The key is that you want to open the Chrome Web Store, where every extension has a listing, reviews, and details about permissions so you know what you're adding. Once you're in the store, click into the search bar at the top and type otter.ai. Press enter to see results. You're looking for the official Otter extension. Check that the name and publisher match Otter to ensure you're selecting the legitimate listing. The product page gives you a short description of what it does, screenshots, and the permissions it needs. Skim that information so you understand how it integrates with your browser and where it can operate. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome on the extensions page. Chrome will show a confirmation prompt explaining the permissions. This is normal for any extension. Review the message and then click Add extension to proceed. You may see a quick download and a notification confirming that Otter has been added. If Chrome displays a small puzzle piece icon at the top right, that's the extensions menu. Your new extension will appear there. You can open that menu anytime to see that Otter is installed and enabled. That's it, the extension is now installed. If a new tab opens with a welcome screen, it's simply giving you a quick overview and options. Keep Otter updated automatically by leaving Chrome's default update setting on, and if you use multiple Chrome profiles, install it on the profile where you do your meetings and notes so it's always available. If anything doesn't appear right away, a quick browser refresh usually brings the extension to life. You're all set to use Otter directly from Chrome.